Our father is about to take the first sailing trip of the year, and that is also often a very non-graceful thing to leave the dock. We shall film it for our laughter. Ha ha!
Film it for what?
For our laughter.
Oh.
Ha ha! What are your words, Father?
I have 3 simple words. Let's go sailing.
Well, those are very good words. But not as good as mine! Ha 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 ha! Well, actually they were pretty good, but
The wind cooperates.
yes. We have a very low windy windness today.
That was pretty graceful.
Yeah.
Hi, Tucker. That's what my dad used to do. Didn't work then, it doesn't work anymore.
Well, that's kind of obvious. You can't blow your own sail. The Mythbusters proved it. Graceful, isn't it? I'm zooming in on your face.
Notice the look of pure joy.
Ahoo! Wow! Now I'm zooming out for a wide shot. Beautiful, isn't it? Sail somewhere. He is taking very slow progress. Now he is talking to one of the locals. I wonder how good the microphone is on this. You might not be able to hear his conversation. Oh, I don't think that's good. No, the weight. Oh wait, okay, we're good. My father, the expert sailor, has fixed the problem of the flapping sail. We are sailing today with the sunfish sail with a sunfish on it. Or is it a piranha? We may never know. My father seems to be coming back, or floating back. Hey Dad, did you bring a paddle?
No.
Want me to grab one? you want the little one or the slightly smaller one?
I'll take the little one. Because I'm kind of not anticipating needing it. Maybe you can throw it at me. Thank you.
I am an expert thrower, but not an expert cameraman. There we go. I just had to go run and get a paddle, because, you know.
Oh, was the camera running?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just left it on a wide shot, but you
Yeah.
surpassed that wide shot.
There we go. Now, looks as though there might be a breeze.
Ooh.
If I can catch it. Oh, there it is. Woohoo!
Well, that is the end of the little sailing adventure for me today. I will stop recording, and he will sail on. This is Aaron Bopp, signing off from Home Movies Incorporated. Goodbye.